So we are back with another wig tutorial today. As always, huge shout out to Myfirstwig for sponsoring today's video. This is the box that your hair comes in, and I have never worked with Myfirstwigs, but they are known to make wigs for first-time women, people who are enjoying wigs for the first time. If this is truly your first time wearing a wig and you have no experience putting wigs on, this is the company for you. They specialize in making their wigs customizable, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-everything, okay, so that you as the first time wig wearer do not have to run into any issues. This is the wig on my head. I literally just plopped it on my head right out the box, and this looks this looks fantastic. I haven't done nothing. I am gonna go in and just tint the lace a little bit, but just look at this lace right out the box, y'all. I haven't done anything at all. Also get a bag which has 2 clips and a comb in here for first timers. I can really appreciate that. And then you also get a wig cap. These wigs are known to be worn glueless. You can wear them glueless straight out the box. I mean, literally, look at this. Like, you can wear this straight out of the box, no problem whatsoever. But I might have to just add a little bit of spray or mousse to the lace. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but so far I am loving this hair, this bob, this shortcut. It came perfect. The color is perfect. This is such a sexy look, especially for summer. Girl, inside of the wig you do get 2 combs as well as a band in the back. Let me connect that. I didn't even know that was unconnected. Let's see. Some powder from my makeup brush I was using. There is just a little bit of ear tab space on the side that I'm gonna have to trim off. Like that, and that perfectly now fits behind my ear. Perfect. And I need to add just a little bit of spray, but as you can see, I've just curved out that ear part. Love the push back look on the bob. I don't really care for it like this, not that it matters, but I like when it's pushed back. I think that is just so sexy. Summertime is here, sis, okay? So we are only investing in short quality, easy, hassle-free wigs, okay? I'm just adding just a little bit, okay, just a little bit, because I will be keeping this wig on for a long time, and I really just want to make sure those ear tabs lay very nice on the side. As you can see, you can also free part the wig, so if you want to wear it to the side, you can. So if I wanted, I can wear it to the side. You guys can see it apart. I can switch it up this way. So definitely a good wig, definitely a great wig for a first timer. I really appreciate what they stand for, because there's a lot of women out there that don't wear wigs, are not used to wigs, and yeah. So this is kind of my vibe. See how it just falls so nicely. Flat iron and sort of push it back. Look how far back this parting space goes. I don't know if y'all can see how far back that goes, but baby, you're getting a true 13x6 here. Wow. Please. All right, y'all, so this is the final look of the wig. Just look how good that looks. Like, what? All I did was add a little bit of makeup to the part. You guys seen I flat ironed the hair, and baby, this is what we got. This is so cute, so sexy. So make sure y'all check out the description box below. You already know the drill. If this is something you're interested in, if this is your vibe, make sure you obtain one down below in the description box. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching yet another hair tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.